Okay, this was an empty space and I designed it into rooms, closet, bathroom, open kitchen space and living. So the framing work is about 75% on the way. If you notice, I put in the fairing straps, the electrical roughing is done, the HVAC is installed, the ducts run. Yes, so I'm still on the overhead putting in the fairing straps. Yes, so we convert this into a living area. It was an empty space. So I'm just showing my progress of what I am doing. So here is where I reach. As you can see, I have a platform where I stand on and I'm working on the overhead. I'm putting in more straps. So the sheetrock work we'll be doing soon. So I'm just sharing the progress of what I am doing. So as I said, it was an open space and I do all the framing work. I do all this framing work by myself. Yes, so many people know me for construction work with concrete. So when I'm in Jamaica, I do construction work with concrete because the Jamaican code is concrete. Well, this is United States of America. So they mainly build with lumbers. So I am skilled both way and I know the coding for both country. Yes. So I'm just sharing the progress of what I am doing. Yes, so I'm always doing something. So no surprise. So all this framework was done by me and me only. I don't know if to you I'm doing a good job, which I'm working by the code, plumbing the wall, leveling what's supposed to be leveled. So tell me what you think. Do remember to leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. Just sharing my progress of my framing work. Yes, turning the empty space into rooms, bathroom, closet, open kitchen, dining and living area. Tell me what you think.